Linking your bank account to MetaPay is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage your transactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the MetaPay app. Launch the MetaPay application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you do not have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, look for the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select payment methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Look for an option to add bank account or link new account. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify your account. This could involve receiving a small deposit from MetaPay or confirming your identity through additional steps. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to MetaPay. You can now enjoy seamless transactions and manage your finances more efficiently.